Hello, and welcome to our monthly topic presentation for May, Boosting Oxygen with SOQI Products. Throughout this presentation, we will be discussing why adequate oxygen intake is essential for a healthy life and how our products can help you improve your oxygen levels. Oxygen is essential for life. All human bodies need oxygen to function properly. Our bodies use oxygen in almost every internal process. Without oxygen, we could not pump blood, use our brains, eat food, or sleep. Oxygen starvation is the term used when our bodies don't get enough oxygen. Some signs of oxygen starvation can include dizziness, fatigue, anxiety, or headaches. Prolonged oxygen starvation is very serious and can lead to even greater health issues or emergencies. Our body transports fresh oxygen that we breathe in through our entire body using our circulatory system. All cells in our body need to be refreshed with new oxygen from our red blood cells. With good circulation, our organs, muscles, and tissues can function properly. When parts or all of our body receives less oxygen than adequate, it can become damaged or even necrotic. Therefore, one of the most important parts of living a long and healthy life is good circulation and oxygen exchange. Our SOQI brand products can provide unique benefits that increase your oxygen intake. The multi-energy approach synergizes different forms of energy to create a balanced method to improving your health. In this presentation, we will be covering 4 different products and how each one can increase your oxygen levels: the Chi Machine, the Fur Pad, beta-glucan, and the ceramic heater. Our Chi Machine uses a specialized calibration that mimics the aerobic exercise of swimming or running. This exercise improves your breathing rhythm, which in turn helps you take in more oxygen. Specifically, the exercise that the Chi Machine provides helps open up the bronchioles. These are the tubes inside of our lungs that transport oxygen. When these tubes are blocked or restricted, the lungs must work harder to get sufficient oxygen. Our ceramic heater and fur pad both use the same far-infrared technology. These products emit our soothing heat between 8 to 10 microns. This specific range of the infrared spectrum is easily absorbed by the human body. The fur heat technology can also promote blood circulation and cell activity. As previously mentioned, our bloodstream is responsible for spreading oxygen throughout the body. When blood cells are oxygen-rich, they are more effective at transporting oxygen to every corner of the body. Our beta-glucan supplement is made from extremely pure beta 1.3 glucan. This supplement is all natural, non-GMO, vegan, and patent protected. Beta-glucan helps support the immune system by increasing your fiber intake. When our body gets adequate amounts of fiber, this can help modulate our immune system for greater balance and effectiveness. Our Chi Machine, ceramic heater, fur pad, and beta-glucan can all be used together to help boost oxygen intake. The next slide will go over how you can use these products to simultaneously achieve greater outcomes. First, we suggest that you take 2 capsules of beta-glucan every day on an empty stomach. Then we recommend using your Chi Machine for 15 to 30 minutes twice a day. Next, use your ceramic heater for 30 to 60 minutes twice a day. We also recommend using the fur pad 30 to 60 minutes twice a day. On this slide, you can see that the model is using the 3 machines, the Chi Machine, the ceramic heater, and the fur pad, all at the same time. We suggest using machines simultaneously to achieve the most effective and efficient results. The benefits of doing this oxygen boost routine include 1. Improved sleep. 2. Boost to your oxygen levels. 3. Improve your circulation. 4. Increase immunity. 5. Unblock your chi flow and increase your energy. 6. Assist your body in detoxification. By using different types of energy, motion, nutrition, and heat, you can achieve even greater outcomes through SOQI's unique multi-energy approach.